You don't need to be perfect to be wise. All you have to do is listen to yourself. Mistakes can really shake our confidence, leaving us second-guessing every little choice we make. It's easy to feel lost in that cycle of doubt. But here's the truth. Wisdom isn't about never failing. It's about learning from those failures and, most importantly, learning to trust your inner voice again. Trust really begins when you reconnect with your inner compass. So take a moment, pause, reflect, and ask yourself, what truly feels right for me? What aligns with my deepest values? The mistakes you've made don't erase your instincts. If anything, they sharpen them. They're like guideposts pointing you in a new direction. When you start listening carefully to that inner voice, you begin to navigate your life from a place of genuine clarity, not constant doubt. Your inner compass always knows the way. Now, let's reframe how we see our mistakes. Every single one is just feedback, not a final judgment of failure. Each misstep is a powerful lesson teaching you what works, what doesn't, and who you are becoming in the process. When you start treating mistakes as teachers instead of tragedies, your trust in yourself naturally grows. Why? Because you start to realize that you can handle whatever comes next. You've been through it before, and you've come out stronger. Self-trust is like a muscle. It gets stronger the more you use it. So practice it every single day. Start small. Make intentional choices, even minor ones, and follow through on them. Honor your instincts, even when it feels a little scary. Each small act of trust builds momentum, and over time, your confidence will return naturally. Remember, trust grows through consistent action, not by waiting for perfection. So, let this be your mantra. You don't need to be perfect to be wise. Just listen to yourself, learn from your experiences, and practice trusting your gut every single day. Step by step, that inner guidance will lead you back to a place of confidence, clarity, and most of all, peace. Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. See you in the next video.